You fixing it, Zeky?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need drill right.
Uh-huh.
We need drill right.
Here, let's put it, here, why don't we actually fix this thing? Fix it. No good.
It hold.
Here. All right.
We need it.
It's melted. I don't know if you can see. Sort of melted and cracked. So we're going to replace this today. I got my helper Zeky with me. Take my boot off. I don't need that on right now.
You need
All
it.
right. Start by nipping this off. Oh, as close as we can.
Into a heel. So you do it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, good. They got them colored in there. Sometimes they aren't colored like I'd like them. Oh.
Oh. Yes. You need it?
Watch it. Use my knife.
We need it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, let's see. How long do we need to make this? Screw in this end. Today is right to repair day. You know that, Zeky?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, open it.
I don't know if it's just Europe or if it's international or what, but I saw a map with that on it for Europe where there were events. And this is what I need to repair today. So that's about yay long. Something like that. Yeah. No, we don't need any of those. Those are wire nuts. We don't need any of those today. We're gonna put more up here.
You need one yet? You need one.
Not today.
Not there.
No. Most of that stuff for wiring the house.
What
Can you see?
Yeah, and here.
Cutting around insulation. Hopefully, I'll be able to pull it off. You know, I'll probably need to. Don't cut towards yourself. Bad idea.
What are you? It's all out. It's all out.
Oh, Hazel, be nice to the cat.
It's all out. It's all out.
Yeah, we don't want to lose the screw there, Zeky. You watching what I'm doing?
Yeah.
See, I'm peeling the insulation off of the wires, because there's 3 wires in this.
Yeah?
Yep.
Yep. You need one. Yeah, baby. You need it.
Well, I got what I need. I've already repaired the other end once. That was a couple years ago.
We need drill driver then. We need drill driver then.
Yeah.
Here, get open.
You gonna get it open?
Yeah. I'm trying to.
Yeah.
Keep it open.
There we go. Alright, now we have 3 wires that we need to strip the ends off. So you have to, where's the screw? You gotta use your screwdriver on this piece here, Zeke, like this. And lefty loosey. You turn left and righty tighty. Okay? That's how you make it work. Oh, I like about that much. Did I get all the way around? Yeah. There we go. I'll go throw that in my bucket so it don't end up in the earth.
Help me. Come here.
Well, you didn't get it out far enough. You got to get that screw all the way out like this one.
Yeah, on. I did it. Right through. Yeah. I do it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, twist these together. That way it's just cleaner and neater. You know, I do have a wire stripper here. Why aren't I using the wire stripper?
I do that.
Oh, is it about 16?
Yeah, mine.
Look at that. Wow, that was so much easier. Why was I goofing around? Nope.
Yeah, mine.
That'll put a ding in those blades, and we don't want that, do we, Zeke?
See? And put up.
All right.
Yeah,
now,
mine. They're mine.
Assuming I wired this end correctly.
Yeah, mine, right.
The black wire here goes to the brass one, to the brass screw. And the white wire goes to the steel screw.
Up.
And the green wire goes to the green screw.
Out.
Just gotta loosen this up.
Out.
And with some luck, we've done it all right, and it'll all be cooperative, but these things never quite work out that way. Alright, so let's see. And I like to curl them around in the way that they'll be, so that when you tighten it down, the curl get... No, please don't use my dikes on the...
Yeah, mine, right?
On steel screws. It's not good for them. So that when you tighten it down, it pulls the curl around.
Oh. Me, yeah, mine.
Further in there.
Yeah, mine. Yes. Yeah, mine.
There we go. Well, that's not great. What you doing back there, dear?
My button.
Alright, had to make it tighter. Hopefully that'll work.
Yeah, mine.
There we are.
Doing that.
Hey, cold hands.
Me daddy. See, me daddy.
There.
Me daddy.
It ain't coming undone anyways.
Me daddy. See?
Oh yeah, you got my hat?
Me daddy. Yeah, mine. Yeah, mine.
Okay, yeah, it ain't coming out. Got plenty of contact, I'm sure. So this one goes...
Oh!
Turns that way.
Oh, ow. Hurt myself. Oh, man.
Use whatever you got handy. And get this all the way around to the ground wire. That'll go that way. Yep. I am definitely not a professional electrician, but rewiring plug or an outlet, being able to do that is really quite simple. Even putting in a breaker is pretty easy. And there's no reason we shouldn't all at least know how to rewire an outlet or a plug like this. Oh yeah, there's the trick, isn't it? There's that, this post has got to thread its way through things. Aha, and I got it cut right. There we go. You know, it almost never works out right that I get it cut just right. Always have to fiddle with it again. Worked out today. Must have done it enough times finally. Nah, stay off my truck. There we go. There. That'll work. Let's check. Huh? Well, I'd like you to stay out of my truck. Uh-huh. Alright.
Right now.
See. Let's check for continuity. Just give it some resistance. So I just want to see if it's got continuity. Ooh. But that's the one. Alright, now I've repaired my tester. So it's got an alligator clippy. Oh, I've got that in. I don't have to do the scary thing. So, let's see, which one is this? Does it say which side it is? It doesn't. Well, hopefully I've wired it correctly. Oh, and I can't see what I did here either. Well, here, I know. There we go. So, this one, no, that one, this one should make continuity, hopefully, when I stick this in here. Haha! It does. Or things happen. Let's set it to resistance. There we go. I'll set this so you can see it. Yeah, we have resistance. And there should be nothing happening there. Nothing happens there. So we'll check the other side, make sure that we've got continuity. Excellent. Now this, of course, does nothing to make sure that you've wired your outlets correctly, but there we go. Alright, that's how you fix that extension cord. Zeky, where'd you go, dude? Bet he went to Grandma's house. On his way. Alright, bye.